on the something. I just got to find that something. So I'm going to take my equation, and wherever I see an x, I'm going to put a 0. So it'll look like that, and I got to find that missing value. So y equals this is 0 plus 4. Y equals 4. So that's your first missing value. That's your first point. Then I need point 2. Point 2, what did you let the x value be?
13.
1. I'm going to do 1. So if you let me 1, I'm going to have y equals, just copy everything but change your x to a 1. So that's what it would look like when you change it to a 1. Do your math. So negative 3 times 1 is negative 3 plus 4.
Negative
So y
1.
equals positive 1. So those are your two individual points. If you've gotten that,
2.
I think that's the trickier part. That's the harder part, where you have to generate those 2 points all on your own. Then we have to graph them. Okay, so let me write these down. I've got points. 0, 4, and 1, 1. All right. So when I'm graphing 0, 4, 0 means stay where you are. What does the 4 tell you to do? Go. And stop. Then your 1, 1. The 1 says go right. The positive 1 says go up. And then you connect up.
Question.
Even though we can pick any number to plug in, but doesn't have to be in a specific quadrant for it to be correct? No?
Nope, as long as it still has that line. Still has that same, in that same direction and everything. Yep, it could be any other points. Because I could pick infinity amount of answers, because notice, this line, this is a point, this is a point, this is a point. There are thousands of points on that line. So I can't say there's only one correct answer. But there is only one correct line. They all should look in the same direction there.
Going through the same quadrant, right?
Well, you could have had a point up here, you could have had a point down there, but it was still falling on that line.
Yeah, they would have to all fall on that
It
same.
has to fall on that same.
So that one equation, the lines are all going to be in the same direction, just depending on the points you pick.
That's correct. Okay, let's try number 9. This is just a different type of graphing. If I'm twisting your arm and saying I want you to use the XY intercept method. Now we've already talked about this today. See if you can do the cover-up method with that equation. And then try to graph it. Just gonna do that first part. If I cover up the y, what would x have to be?
3.
3. If I cover up the x, now be careful because there's a negative. If there's a negative there, remember you're technically dividing by a -2. What's 12 divided by -2?
-6.
-6. If you forget that little negative, it changes the whole picture. So you've got to make sure you're going slow with those negative signs. So
Could you
just
just work that out? Oh, could you just work it out?
Well, yeah. Even if you cover this up, you would just divide both sides by -2. And then that changes it. I don't know what you want me to show you. If you cover it up and just have -2y = 12, you just divide both sides by -2. So y = -6. That's just the same value. That's how you.
Because x is always a 0.
So basically, if it has a negative sign there, you're going to carry that negative sign into, or not always?
This was negative.
Okay.
Two negatives would make it positive.
Positive.
You can always assume that.
Okay.
Just have to watch for your sign. Because that could change your whole.
If you know you have a negative and a positive, you know that's a negative. If you have two negatives, you know it makes a positive. That's why we don't learn to
Okay,
do
could you wait just a second?
Jane, I'm trying to follow with our review along with our worksheet.
Mhm.
So for the problems 11 through 13, we really could use a cover-up method.
Not to find a slope. We haven't gotten to those yet.
Oh, okay. I'm just, like I said, trying to.
Not that area yet. I need to, yes.
Well, let me get there. Could you just
Okay.
let me know?
I'll come back to it. I got it.
Thank you.
Okay, number 9. Okay, so I need to graph my two intercepts. So 3, 0. That means go to the right 3. And then the 0 says stay put. So right here. And then the 0, -6, the 0 says don't go left or right, but the -6 tells me to go down. 6. And then we connect our dots. Going into the next graph, but you have an idea of what it is. Something like that. You've got your 2 points. Okay. We have 5 left. Number 10. Now, this is what we were working on yesterday, but all of you were here, so that's a good thing. That's completely new. So you want to write down the directions so you know what it would look like. Graph, but identify the slope and y-intercept of the equation.